Staged in Store, a Glam New Year's Eve bar. Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm starting with this glass table and 2 bar stools. Here's my shopping list. Flexible pieces that can be mixed, substituted, and styled as you thrift. These champagne flutes are tall and elegant, perfect for keeping bubbles lively and adding height to the bar. Using goblets on the bar works well for sparkling cocktails and adds texture to the bar. These martini glasses have unique stems, which adds interest and gives the bar a collected and glamorous feel. Small cordial glasses add a refined vintage touch, perfect for after-dinner drinks. I'm using 3 candle holders to bring height, warmth, and that soft glow for a New Year's Eve gathering. This amber glass bowl adds warmth and contrast. It'll be a great substitution as an ice bucket for the bar. A small crystal tray is perfect for garnishes like cherries and olives. It's both functional and beautiful. Use a crystal bowl to hold lemons and limes and add more sparkle to the bar. I'm using this gold cake stand for appetizers. It adds elevation and brings a touch of glamour to the setup. And I'll use this gold oval-shaped platter to anchor the glassware on the bar. And lastly, I'm picking up a few more items to help complete the styling for the bar. This is the finished Glam New Year's Eve bar, styled entirely in store using thrifted pieces, mixing glassware, layering metals, and adding candlelight creates an elevated look that feels intentional, elegant, and perfect for celebrating the new year. For serving, add napkins, small appetizer forks, and don't forget to add the Happy New Year 2026 to your table. Thrifting makes it possible to create beautiful moments without overspending. And pieces like these can be used year after year. So I hope that you enjoyed this series, Staged in Store, I'll bring you more. We still have spring, summer, and fall to stage in store. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And as we move into the new year, I wish you and your family peace and blessings.